Okay, here it is, the final on this toothbrush holder, actually toothbrush and toothpaste holder. You can see how that turned out. And you can still see some of the inside structure there. So it's not perfect for sure. Worked out okay. I'll just tell you that removing the supports from the inside of these holes, and in particular the ones on the deep inside here, that was not easy. That was pretty tough actually. It was pretty ugly, so I didn't show you how to do that because I'm sure you'll figure out a better way to do it than I did it. You guys see some of the marks on the bottom of the pieces here where I had to scrape it to try to get those pieces out, and those pieces were thick. I was really surprised. So anyway, that was kind of a lesson learned on that. Be careful on the support. You can see all the pieces on the ground there, and the tools needed to get them out. So anyway, that's what it looks like. So I was pretty happy with how that turned out. So the toothbrushes go on the top, and then the toothpaste goes to the bottom here. Pretty good sized piece, about 0.1 kilograms. Took about 19 hours to print, but it worked out pretty good. I was pretty happy with that result. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, and we'll check out next time. Thanks.